Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Yes, the today's topic is dialogue writing. What it is? Dialogue writing. When two people talk to each other, जैसे मम्मा ने आपके कुछ बात किया, then mama says something, then papa responds, again mama says something. When you are talking to your mama says something, okay, then you says, mama, I am hungry, right? So mama says, what you want to eat? Then, so you have to give equal chance to the person who are talking in dialogue writing. Let's see, there are some rules and regulations, children. Let's begin. See in the poem. In this poem conversation, how the cat and the mouse are talking to each other. You have seen this, children. Just one sip of water. I'll take 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Excuse me, children. Sorry. Yes. Now the cat is saying, Mousy, Mousy, where is your little wee housey? है ना? So the mousey says, here is the door, under the door, said Mousy, Mousy. Then cat is saying, Mousy, Mousy, may I come into your housey? Then mouse is replying, you can't get in, you have to be thin, said Mousy, Mousy. Again then cat says, Mousy, Mousy, won't you come out of your housey? And then the mousey says, oh, I'm sorry to say, I'm busy all day. Said Mousy, Mousy. So two sentence, two dialogue for the cat, again the mouse, again the cat. So you have to give the equal distribution. Okay, children? Yes, let's begin. I'm just explaining you what is the dialogue writing is all about. Now let me tell you the definition. Yes, the dialogue is a conversation in a story. जब आप स्टोरी पढ़ते हो उसमें भी कॉन्वर्जेशन होता है दो जन के बीच में और रियली एनी टाइम विच इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ सेड अलाउड जो आप जोर से बोलते हो है ना when you write dialogue you are stating a person's exact word. जब आप डायलॉग लिखते हो तो वो पर्सन का एग्जैक्ट वर्ड लिखते हो यू राइट द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड इन डायलॉग राइटिंग ठीक है देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर्स दिस लेडी इज सेइंग समथिंग अनदर लेडी इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग एक क्या बोल रही है वन इज सेइंग oh my head feels extremely heavy and the other says silly that's because our heads are disproportionate to our body so this one she is saying then she is answering. Okay, this is dialogue. Now let's talk about the picture dialogue. These are our picture dialogue. Now first scene, Mama is saying, Raki, yes, what did you do in the school today? Mama is saying. So the child is responding, I played with my friends. फिर मामा बोल रही है, what did you play? ठीक है, so she is saying hide and seek. Then again मामा बोल रही है so आपको कंटिन्यू करना है डायलॉग so राखी what did you play whom did you play with आपने किसके साथ खेला और whom did you play with she said Amar and Malini. Now she is asking about everything whatever happened in school. Now मामा पूछ रही है are you hungry? Then she is saying yes. ऐसे ही आपको डायलॉग लिखना है इन डायलॉग राइटिंग ओके चिल्ड्रन नाउ व्हाट आर द बेसिक रूल्स स्टार्ट अ न्यू पैराग्राफ ईच टाइम अ न्यू पर्सन स्पीक सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ डायलॉग बिटवीन अनु एंड अमोल अब अनु जब बोलेगी अमोल हाउ आर यू ठीक है अमोल हाउ आर यू सो आपको न्यू सेंटेंस ऐसा स्टार्ट करना है कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करना है जब आप अमूल बोलेगा अगेन न्यू कैपिटल लेटर से न्यू सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करना है हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ओके सो स्टार्ट द न्यू पैराग्राफ ईच टाइम अ न्यू पर्सन स्पीक मेक श्योर रीडर्स नो हु इज टॉकिंग सपोज यू हैव रिटन डायलॉग राइटिंग टीचर पढ़ रही है सो मुझे पता रहना चाहिए कि किसने डायलॉग बोला. So you have to write the name of a person. सपोज टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट, सो टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट का डायलॉग होना चाहिए. गिव अ बैलेंस्ड मिक्स ऑफ एक्शन एंड टॉकिंग. दोनों को बराबर बराबर मौका मिलना चाहिए टॉकिंग का. लेट ऑल द कैरेक्टर हैव इक्वल से. सब कैरेक्टर्स को इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है. ट्राई एंड रिजॉल्व द डिस्कशन बाय द एंड ऑफ द पेज. आप कुछ भी टॉपिक लेते हो तो उसका बराबर एंड होना चाहिए बेटा, ऐसा अब्रप्ट एंड नहीं करना है. ठीक है, लेट्स बिगिन. Here is a sample, a dialogue between a teacher and a student who comes late. Here the student is coming late. So teacher and student talking. Student, may I come in, sir? See, every sentence is starting with capital letter. Teacher, yes, stand here. Why do you always come late? आप late क्यों आते हो हर समय? Now, sir. So go teacher and now student. Okay, now student. Sir, it is the bus which makes me late. ये तो बस ही लेट आती है. Teacher, what time do you leave home? At what time you leave home? Student, I always leave home at 7:45. So teacher says, how far is your home from here? आपका घर कितना दूर है? Student says, it is about 3 kilometers from here. 3 kilometers. Teacher says, that is why you get late. You leave home very late. That is why you are late, because you're leaving your home late. So what the teacher wants to say, you start from your home early so that you can reach your school on time. Teacher says, don't blame the bus. It is you who is leaving the home late. Right? One more example. One more. Sir, student. Sir, I take my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I think it's in continuation. Then what time do you get up? I get up at about 7 a.m. वो बता रहा है मैं 7 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. Do you offer your prayer? So he says, not regularly. मैं regular prayer नहीं करता हूँ. Teacher says, my dear, it is a bad habit. Change your routine. Always get up early in the morning, offer your prayer and go for a morning walk. Student, sir, there is no park near my house. Teacher, no problem. You can walk along the street in the morning time, take breakfast at night, right time, and then leave for the school. That dialogue is in continuation. हाँ, अभी जो dialogue पढ़ा था इसके पहले उसके continuation में चल रहा है बेटा ये. Teacher says, you change your routine, get up early, go for a walk. Even though there is no garden, you can walk on the road. ठीक है? Then take your breakfast on time and then you leave the school. Student, you are right, sir. From tomorrow I shall never be late. Teacher, good. One thing more keep in mind, regularity and punctuality conquer the mountains. My. A very important statement. Teacher says, if you are regular, if you are punctual, if you do your things on time, आप कुछ भी जीत सकते हो अपनी लाइफ में. यू कैन कॉन्कर इवन द माउंटेन्स. आप ऊपर फ्लाई कर सकते हो. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज फॉर यू ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन. बी रेगुलर, बी डिसिप्लिन इन वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग. हैव योर फूड ऑन टाइम, गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, स्टडी ऑन टाइम, स्टडी रेगुलरली. फिर आप कुछ भी फतेह कर सकते हो. यू कैन विन एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. ओके, यू कैन टेक अप एनी चैलेंजेस. So, thank you very much. So, the teacher says, the student says, thank you very much for your good advice. Now, can I sit, sir? Very wonderful dialogue. Really, I liked it, children. Very nice. Student is getting late. Then teacher is explaining कि बेटा देखो आपको routine change करना पड़ेगा. So, this is how you have to write. Teacher, student. और end up देखो कितना अच्छा हुआ है. If you're starting with any topic, it should end in a very nice way, children. This is what the dialogue is all about. Give an equal distribution of the dialogue to both the characters. ठीक है? That's all for today, children. Thank you. Please listen this again and again. At least 5 to 6 times you should listen. Okay? If you really want to become good in dialogue writing, because it will be there in the second evaluation. ठीक है? Thank you, children.